This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Acura MDX key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. You will also need to locate your ignition and the door lock controls, as these are crucial for the programming sequence. Having everything ready ensures a smooth process. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all doors closed. Insert a key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately press the lock button on a working key fob. Turn the ignition OFF. Repeat this on, lock, OFF sequence a total of 4 times. The door locks will cycle, indicating you have entered programming mode. Once the doors cycle, you are in programming mode. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button on each key fob you want to program, including any existing ones. Each time you press a button, the door locks will cycle again to confirm it has been registered. Remember to program all fobs within that 10-second window. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition to the OFF position and remove the key. The door locks will cycle one final time. Now, test each of your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they all function correctly. Verify that the lock, unlock, and trunk release buttons work as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.